Hello friend, welcome back. In our previous video, we successfully update our logging page. Right now there is another page as a forget password. Friend, our concept will be just like that same. Here I want to customize our theme page as a auth recovery password.html. Okay, now I want to update in particular that position. So if you want to do that work, first of all, you have to find out that file locations. Right now we don't need this. I have already done our logging. Okay, here we successfully done it. Right now our register also will be needed. I will copy from the login. Like if you go to our view and then the auth, and for the forget password, that is our forget password page. Okay, into this forget password, you can see there is also one of the form, and they have one of the form method, they have one of the default action. So everything is default. Right now I want to customize it. First of all, I want to select it, I copy it and I save it in here. Okay, now I want to update our theme page. If you go to our theme page, that is our page is auth recovery password.html. I want to open with the sublink text editor. I copy it, and now in our forget password page, I paste it. Our JS file and CSS file is the same file that I have already updated in our logging. First of all, I want to update as a recovery password admin. Okay, I simply updated our title. Now from to the logging, I want to copy that CSS link. Okay, so that is our CSS link. I simply copy it. Now in our forget password here I want to update. Okay, so I simply update. Great. And also I want to update that our JS file. So that is all that our JavaScript file. I copy it from our logging, and now in our forget password here I want to update. I simply update. Okay. Perfect. So our CSS and JSS link is updated for this theme, and also there is some of the images. For the images, I want to update that asset. So that will be as a asset, and I want to cart it. Okay, simply cart it and I paste it. Also from here I cart it and I paste it. Great. Now that is our password reset, and with this password reset they have some of the command, right? If you go to our default one, into this default one, you can see they have some of the text. I want to better copy it, and now in our forget password area here, there is all the strong tag. If you want to use some of the strong tag, you can use it. Better I paste it. Okay, I paste it, and now for the forget password, like I make it as a no problem. Okay, no problem, I want to make it as a strong. Okay, so I simply make it as a strong, and right now we don't need this. So that is our default text, right? I simply updated that default text, and now they have also one of the form. You can see there is also one of the form. We have to update our form. If you go like that, will be our form. I copy it, and now if you go to our forget password, I want to update it. I simply paste it. So now that will be post method only. I want to take that class name. I cart it, and I want to paste it in here. Great. I hope it's very clear, friend. Everything is ready-made here. You don't need to create anything. Like there is a form, and there is on the method as a post method. Action will be in a route as a password, email one of the route. Okay, it's very easy. All the route is by default created. Here you can see there is a forget password, there is a password reset in our auth, and new password controller store method is work for this. So that is on the default controller default method. Okay, I simply updated that part. Now there is only one input field. Okay, better I want to make it little bit left side, and then there is only one input field. And if you want to compare it, so that will be one of the ID as an email, right? I copy it, and then that will be one of the ID. I make it ID as email, type will be as an email, and then our name will be needed. Name will be as email. Okay, so now I simply paste it. Friend, that's all. That's all you have to do. And then there is our sending mail, and that will be on the submit method, which is totally fine. So now that should be also updated. Okay, that should be also updated. If you now click as a save, now if you go now refresh it, you can see it's not successfully updated as a forget your password, and that is an email. So when you send it as an email, after that send this email, that will be send that email request in our mail. Okay, I have already done this job, so now that should be work. So here our every pages is now customized it. I have customized that register page. I have customized our logging page. It's also successfully working. I have all right now customized our password page. Okay, so now in our next video I want to do like I simply log in with the user and then our password is 1234567 Now if you log in, right now you are successfully logged in. So in our next video I want to discuss about our profile. Okay, so here if you want to change that profile images, if you want to update the profile name, username or email address, how can change it, and also how can change that password reset option with multiple validation. So step by step we'll go more deep. As I told you friend, that will be one of the complete project. I will try to explain everything step by step with you. I hope you will like it very much. So thanks for watching. I will see you in the next video.